Okay, for today, I'm going to show you how to learn the basic of languages. First one, let's learn from example, the school library member. Okay, let's enter some data at 4. Okay. Okay. Okay, after we have entered some data into the cell and the column at follow at have shown here on the window, then next we can then I'm going to then demonstrate you how to do some of the formatting. Let's highlight all the area of the text here, column and cell here, and then you go to like change for the font here. You will learn how to change the font to, for example, you can change it to comic. Okay, sans serif, and then you choose like 12 point here. After that, for the name of each column, you change it to the bold, for example, here. Then for this one, you can change it to the position to the middle here. Okay, that's how to do the formatting. You can change it to like a table here for the border of the table. Then you change the position to the center here. Okay. Next, when you select this, you can go to the format, and then you can go to alternate color. For the alternate color, it's the pieces of the header and the footer. For example, there you can choose like from the default style here. For example, I'm going to use for this one, okay, the rest on the header, and the color is alternate here. Okay. Then next, I would like to use some of the basic formula for the counting. You just insert the equal sign and then count. Count from this column. Oh, sorry. And then open bracket here from this one to this one. Sorry, this one to this one, and then enter. Okay, for the counting formula is we count from row 1, 2 and 3 in conclusion, 3 row here. Okay, the basic one is on the free column. You can use the equal sign here and then use the sum. Okay, and then you get the 600 here, the simple one. Next, I would like to show you how to split the column name. Doing it by make insert one column left here. After that, you just kind of like name the header, name the column name like a last name, and then for this one you just make selection here. You go to data and then go to split text to column here. After that you detect, I'm gonna use the space. Okay, when we use the space, it will separate the name and the last name into different column here. Okay, and then one we can change it like a first name. I would add another I would add another column here, insert one column left again, and then I try to combine again with like name and last name. Okay, for this one you can use the formula here equal to B3 ampersand and C3. You hit the enter. Okay, you notice that the name and the last name is connected together. So let's try to edit a little bit on the formula here. You can use like double quote and space bar here. After that you add more ampersand here. You hit enter. Okay, you will see on the D3 the name Joe and Mark is separate. One more space bar, you can make a copy here for formula. Okay, that's all for the basic learning of Google Sheets. If you have any question or any suggestion, please feel free to comment below. Thank you for your watching.